For part 5 of your wall pocket, you will be creating your coil applique design. Create even, round, and smooth coils. Transform the coils into your motifs. Using your drawing as a guide, lay your coil motifs on top of your slab. Let's speed up the process. If you are wanting motifs that are the same size, start with coils that are the same thickness and length. Your drawing is a guide. You may find that you need to make small adjustments to your design to make it look visually pleasing. Once your coils are in place, it's time to attach them to the slab. Trace the boundary where you will score. Score deeply inside of the boundary you have drawn. Dab a generous amount of slip onto the scored areas. Very carefully score the back of your coiled motifs. Use a clean brush to remove extra slip. Repeat the process. Trace a boundary around the coil motifs. Score inside of those boundaries. Score the back of your coil motifs. Add slip to your scored surfaces and attach. Here's a pottery pro tip. When you are laying your coil motifs on top of the slip, avoid pressing down firmly right away. Wait. Wait until all of your coils are adjusted where you need them to be, and once you're happy with their positioning, press firmly down. Once you have firmly pressed your coil motif against the slab, they are fixed. It is difficult to move them around and make adjustments. Take the time to use a clean brush to remove any extra slip. Don't use too much water like I have just done. Notice how my clay is turning into slip and I'm losing some of my details. If you lose your details because you've used too much water or overdone it with a brush or sponge, it may take you some extra time to go back in with a pencil and redraw those details. Then you'll need to soften up some of those drawn edges with a brush. Allow your coil applique design to set up to the leather hard stage. Once it's at the leather hard stage, it's much easier to remove any unintentional marks with your wood tools. The size and shape of the tool will dictate what kind of spaces you can get into to remove different types of marks. Use sponges to help protect your coil applique design and your pinch pot. Set up the sponges so that when you flip over your project, they will support and protect those details. Pay attention to the details, remove unintentional marks and crumbs from the back, then carve your name neatly in the back of your slab along with the block. Check the front, the back, and the sides of your project one more time to make sure that you haven't missed any detail that needs attention. Get to claying.